Hi everyone, I am Dr.D.Princy, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science with Cyber Security, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. In this video, I am going to explain about the concept strings. A string is a sequence of characters. In Java, string is not a data type, strings are a class. We can create an object of that class to store a sequence of characters. Generally, the easiest way to represent the sequence of characters is creating a character array. Here is an example to create a character array with the size 4. Here I have to store a string with the characters 4. In Java, strings are class, object and implemented using two class names, strings and StringBuffer. A string is not a character array and it is not a null terminator. String may be declared and created as follows, like how we are creating an object of another types of classes. String class name followed by an object name equal to a new string constructor enclosed with the value of that string object. Example, string first name equal to new string of Anil. So here there are two forms. Either you declare the object of the string class, after that you can allocate the memory using the new operator and give the value, and or these two statements are combined to make it as a single statement. Like normal arrays, integer arrays, we can also use the length keyword which is used to find the length of the string. Java strings can be concatenated using the plus operator. A plus operator is used to adding two numbers when you are performing on the integer values. When you are using on the string, it is used to joining those two string values to make it as a single string. That is concatenation. String arrays. We can also create and use arrays that contain strings. With the arrays, string arrays, we can add any number of strings. A string is a sequence of characters. Using string, we can group a character to make it as a string. Using string array, we can create any number of strings. String methods. In Java, a string is a class. It has some predefined methods. If we want to convert the characters to lowercase, we can use the two lowercase method. Two uppercase methods are used respectively. Replace method takes two arguments. The first argument is replaced with the second argument. Trim method, which is used to remove the spaces at the beginning and ending of the specified string. Equals operator, V equals method, it is used to compare the string. S1 is equal to S2. That means it returns true. Otherwise, it returns false. Equals ignore case means it does not consider the cases. Suppose if first string is in lowercase and the second string is in uppercase, but the content of the strings are same, it ignores the cases. It only check the values. If both are equal, it returns true. Length method, it is used to return the length, that is number of characters in the specified string. Char at method, which is used to display the character at the specified location. Compare to method, which is used to compare the two strings. Equals, it check with the contents. Compare, it check with the length. If the first string is less than the second string, it returns negative value. If it is greater, positive values. If both are equal, it returns the 0. Concat method, which joins the strings S1 and S2 together. Substring. Substring have two forms. First takes one form. It is starting with the end character to the end of the character. Only it returns the part of the string. The second form takes two arguments. The starting character till the second argument minus to the second argument. It does not include the second argument. Before the second argument, it retrieves the subpart of the substring. Value of methods, which is used to create a string object of the parameter p. ToString method, which is used to convert a string representation to the object. Index of method, index of a specified character which displays the position of the first occurrence of the specified character. Suppose a string having the specified character more than one times, the first occurrence will be the result. Index of a specified character and followed by the position. That means after the specified position, what is the first occurrence of the specified character, that will be the result of the second index form method. The next method is value of, which is used to convert the parameter value to the string representation. If we want to convert a value to the string, we can use the value of method. So this is an example to demonstrate the sum of the string methods. Here I am using a length, which is used to find the number of characters in the string, and compare to operator to check the content of the strings. This method is used to sorting the strings based on the values. Next, string buffer class. This is also similar to string, but while string creates a fixed length, string buffer creates flexible length. In between, if we after initializing the values to this string buffer object, if we want to add additional values, we can add. But in string, the length of the string is fixed. That is a major difference between the string and string buffer. We can insert characters and substrings to the middle of the strings or append another string to the end. The methods which are used in string buffer class are set character at. It takes two arguments, n and a specified character. It modifies the nth character to the specified character. Append method. Append method, it is used to add a string at the end of the first string. Insert method. It takes two arguments. One is the specified position and second is the strings to be inserted. It inserts in the middle of the specified position. In the specified position, it adds some substring. Set length. Suppose if you want to add some more spaces, some more characters to the object of the string buffer, you can use this method to set the length of the string. This is an example to demonstrate the concept of the string buffer. Here, the initial value of the string buffer object str is equal to object language. That will be displayed as the original string. After that, I am finding the length of the string. It returns using the length method, which returns the number of characters in the specified string, including the spaces. After that, I retrieve the character at the specified position, character at specified position 5, and adding some characters. See, index of language and insert oriented word to that specified position, and modified string will be displayed using the hyphen, and also character at. It replaces the spaces with the hyphen. The output of the and also I used append method to add a string at the end of the object. So the final output will be like this. The original string is object language. Length of the string is 15. The character as position 5 is C. The modified string, after inserting the word before the language, the string become object oriented languages. After replacing that, the space will be replaced with hyphen. After appending the strings, the result will be object oriented language, improves security. Thank you all.